So this is the yummy breakfast I was telling you about yesterday. Oh, by the way, good morning. So it's Tuesday morning. No, it's not. It's Wednesday morning. And this here is absolutely delicious. I made it for the first time last week. So if you do want the recipe, in fact, if I remember, I'll put it in the description box. And it is so good. I got it off a lady off Instagram. Anyway, so inside, I put some of these flavour drops that we had yesterday. So they're sin-free. Then on top of there's a tablespoon of the PB Fit peanut butter powder, which I just mixed with some water. That's 1.5 sins. And the same lady that I had the recipe from mentioned about this jam. Now I've had half a tablespoon for half a sin, and it is delicious. It's on the pricey side. I got mine in Waitrose, but it really is a lovely jam considering it's so low in calorie. So my breakfast is my healthy extra B because there's oats in there, and then 1.5 of the PB Fit, half of the jams, there's 2, and then the fruit on top is speed, and it is absolutely delicious. So I'm off to enjoy, and I've got my coffee out of my Tassimo machine. So yeah, a nice yummy breakfast. I'll just show you what the inside looks. It's like really cakey. That is because it's a bit of a faff making because you'll have to get the white of the eggs into peaks, but it is so worth it. So yeah, look at that. This is my lunch today, a baked potato whilst we're out. So I bought my 40 grams of cheese to go on there. So that's my healthy extra A. And the potato is a free food. So we're having a super late tea tonight because we're back from shopping. We were thinking of eating out, but we didn't. So thankfully, we obviously saved money and I saved sins. So I have got 3 slices of bacon medallions there. They are free and protein. 2 eggs done in fry light. They're free and protein. Mushrooms, which are a speed food. And then rather a few too many baked beans, which are free. So it's all free and speed and protein. So hopefully it will keep me full. I am quite hungry now because it's been about 6 hours, getting on for 7 since we had the jacket potato. And it was really small today, that spud. So yeah, I'm definitely ready for this one because I haven't eaten anything since the potato. So that was nice, my tea. So I'm going to finish off with a large orange for a speed food. And I absolutely love these yogurts. And this is half a sin. So I was so made up today. I went into Sainsbury's after seeing several people saying on Instagram that they got it in Sainsbury's. And yes, I did. So I am so chuffed. Finally, I've got it. So I've got 2 bottles. They were £2 a bottle. So yeah, I cannot wait. I absolutely love this stuff. Yum. So I'm finishing off the day with a fruit nut hi-fi bar for 3 sins. I've had quite a bare day of food today, really. I've got it all wrote down here. But yeah, I mean, the oats for breakfast, oh my gosh, they are so delicious. And putting that jam and peanut butter on there is so good. So I'm ending on 7.5 sins. Now, I don't know if anyone knows about these. When I went shopping today, they've got one of these hotel chocolate shops there. And they give you samples. Now, I had a sample. Now, if anyone has had one of these samples, they are very small. So I'm ending on 7.5 sins, but I guess I'm going to have to allow probably 3 sins for the sample of this that I had. Now, I've scanned the barcode and it's not coming up. So if anyone watching knows what the sins are, what does it say? Oh, that's per 100 grams. But, oh my days, it is gorgeous. Now, I'm not really a massive mince pie fan, but when I open the sachet of this, as it says on here, look, the festive favourite in a cup, cinnamon, citrus, mellow chocolate. Oh, Honestly, I cannot describe how nice it is. So, yeah, so I had a sample of that, and then we did buy a box because I know the kids will like these. They're pricey. There's 10 sachets in there for $13.50. I get into it. And this is one serving, but I wouldn't use that as one serving. 2 of us would share that. But yeah, so I don't know what the sins will be for my little sample that I had. So as I say, I'm ending on 7.5, but I'm going to have to allow probably 3 for the sample that I had of that. So I'm going to have this for supper. I've got to have something because, as I say, it doesn't look like I've ate much today, and it doesn't feel like I've ate much today. So I'm going to have that, and I'm going to have a satsuma too. My finger colour is terrible. Do you know what this is from? It's, my mum had a pile of cooking apples. I mean, a massive pile. So I helped her the other day peel them and chop them and blanch them down and all that. And it's stained, because my hands are so rough, it has stained all my skin. So yeah, they're looking awful. But anyway, so yeah, I'm having that, and I'm going to have a satsuma. And if anyone does know the sins on this, I would be really, really grateful if you could let me know. And if you haven't tried it, yeah. And we haven't got the hotel chocolate machine, unfortunately, as much as I'd love one. We've got the cheaper version that you can get. Well, you can get them in Aldi's, Amazon, and all those places. So we've got the cheaper version, and it does the job. It really does do the job. There might be a little bit of chocolatey bits at the bottom of your cup, but nothing major. It is smooth. So yeah, that is my day over. And didn't accomplish much today. Christmas shopping, unfortunately. It always seems to be the way if I have my husband with me. I just don't know why, but I don't know whether it's just that's how it is with men. I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm going to head off, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.